The Classical Academies is a charter school network serving more than 5,300 students in North County, including Coastal Academy in Oceanside. Classical Chief Executive Officer Cameron Curry said in a statement to KPBS that the school changed its policy after a threat of legal action by a constitutional lawyer. After reviewing the preliminary injunctions issued in recent cases against Chino Valley Unified School District and Escondido Union School District, it was clear that our policy was very similar to the one enjoined by the federal court in the Escondido case. This made keeping the old policy language untenable. Curry said Dean Boreals is the attorney who threatened Classical Academies with the lawsuit. Boreals says there was no threat. He says he was informing the board of legal consequences as a concerned parent.
We didn't specifically threaten a lawsuit against Classical Academy over their parent secrets policy, but we did inform them that their policy was unconstitutional and needed to be changed.
Classical's old policy says that teachers and staff could not disclose a student's gender identity to anyone, including the student's parents, without the student's consent. It's the same policy that got the Escondido Union School District sued. Two teachers there said it was against their religious beliefs to lie to parents. A federal judge recently ruled that the policy was likely unconstitutional. Their lawsuit is under review by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. The issue was front and center at last night's Escondido Union High School District's meeting.
How do we protect students from lifelong decisions without their parents involved?
Classical's new policy requires parents to be notified if the student changes their pronouns or names to match their gender identity. Max Disposti from the North County LGBTQ Resource Center calls that forced outing.
Even a student with a family that is supportive needs their own time to be able to come out. Is their story to tell? Is no one else's story to be disclosed? And that's really a basic privacy protections that the state of California has guaranteed for many, many years.
Disposti says research has shown that trans students' mental health fare better when schools are safe grounds for their gender journey. Nikki Faddick, a parent at Classical, agrees. She says her rights were not violated under the old policy, but the new policy is deeply concerning for her children and their friends.
It creates an aura of distrust around relationships that kids had previously felt were safe spaces on campus with trusted adults, teachers, counselors, that now they're questioning, are these safe spaces? Will my confidential information be shared without my permission?
Boreal says that fear is overblown. The core of the issue is a parent's right to know.
For over 100 years, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that the 14th Amendment includes the recognition of the fundamental right of parents to direct the care, education, and upbringing of their children.
Classical says the new policy strengthens support for students. Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.